One people, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Remodread. Yes people, I'm back again, and today I bought an older chicken. I got an oven baked older chicken, and I didn't really like it that much, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some brown stew chicken with it. So it's gonna be some oven baked brown stew chicken. Yes people, some nice and wonderful oven baked brown stew chicken. So without further ado, we'll get into this video and see what's going on. Okay, now I got my older chicken right here, minus a leg. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it apart. And just with my knife. Break it on the knife. Let's go ahead and break this apart. Get that wing off. We're gonna cook this down. Yes, people. Nice and good. Wonderful, people, trust me. Okay, get the neck out. Cut it up. Yes, people. Okay, I went ahead and break it apart, cut it up. Now let's go ahead and cook it up. Okay, let's go ahead and add some oil to your pot. Yes, people. Get it all over there. When the oil is hot, then I go ahead and put it back. Okay, let's go ahead. Now I got onions and peppers and potatoes. Let's go ahead and add it in. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add in some good seasoning. If you don't like spicy stuff, do not add a lot. Or don't add it at all. Add a little bit of seasoning over it. Stir this up. Okay, that's it there. Okay, now add a little bit of ketchup on it. A little bit of ketchup. Open this. That's it home. Nice and good and wonderful. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some water. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add in some browning. As soon as I open it. Yes. That's good and wonderful. flavorful. Okay, stir this up. Now let's cover it. Okay, let's go ahead and add some seasoning to this. Yes, okay. Go ahead. Yes, people. Oh, my God, it's okay. Peppers. And finally, go ahead and stir this up. Now, some ketchup. Yes, people. Salt. I'm going to add a little bit of browning. A little bit more browning. Make it a little bit darker. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Perfect. Now let's cover this up back. And let it cook down. Hey people, let's see what's going on now. Oh my God, look at this. So good. So wonderful, people. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit. We gave it to go down a little bit more, and then it should be done. Yeah, then it should be done. A little bit more. Okay, this should be done by now. Yes, people. One down a little bit more. Okay. Nice and good. Yes, people, I eat this dinner, some nice and wonderful oven baked brown stewed chicken. Yes, people, so we'll eat around here. Until next time, like, comment, and share. I must definitely subscribe, and I must definitely catch you in the next one. Until next time, I'm out of here.